For example 2, they're giving us the equation, and then we want to identify the center and the radius and then graph it. So right here, based off of this, when they're giving you the equation, I always like to think of opposites. So they have a +2 here. Opposite of +2 is a -2. So I'm going to grab a -2 for my x value for my center. And then same thing here, instead of a -3, I'm going to do opposite and do a +3. So opposite for the center, opposite for center. And then our radius is going to be this, but square rooted, so square root. So I'm going to take the square root of 10. Now, square root of 10 isn't a perfect number. It's going to be a decimal. So I'm just going to leave it as square root of 10 instead of rounding it. Now, when we actually graph it, though, we're going to probably have to get a decimal for that, because I don't know how to graph square root of 10. So square root of 10 is about 3.2. So which is about 3.2. So let's go ahead and graph. My radius, or my center, is -2, 3. So go over -2, up 1, 2, 3. And then my radius is 3.2. So that means I'm going to go 3.2 in each direction. So I'm going to go like 1, 2, 3, and just a little bit. So I'm going to make the dot a little bit lower. Same thing going over. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, and then just a little bit over. And then same thing going up, 1, 2, 3, and then a little bit over. I'm kind of off. And then 1, 2, 3, and a little bit over. And then I'm just going to make my circle the best I can. It's not going to be perfect since I'm hand drawing this, but that's going to be our circle. And then for the next one, same thing. I'm going to do opposites here for my center. So the opposite of -3 is 3. Opposite of +2 is -2. So that's going to be our center. And then I'm going to take the square root of this. So that means my radius is going to be 4. So for this one, I got 3, -2 for my center. So 1, 2, 3, down 2. So this is my center. And with a radius of 4, I'm just going to count 4 sideways. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make my dot. Count 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be my next one. And then count 4 sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. So about like right there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go all the way around. There you go.